Hi folks, I'm Steve Sapporo, here with Security InfoWatch, and happy to be here with Frank Johnson of FFI and FFI Tactical, right? So, you were just telling me that you're both a manufacturer and a distributor?
That's right.
Did I get that right?
That's right, Steve. Yeah, so we're a manufacturer of chemical identification tests, explosives, narcotics, chemical weapons agents, biological weapons agents, but we also act as a distributor. And we also distribute for Teledyne ICM, who make X-ray systems, portable X-ray systems, as well as energetics technology, who make blast-resistant trash cans.
Wow. So those are two totally different things, but both absolutely needed.
Yeah, they're totally different technologies, but all related to security. Yeah, one is to find IEDs and threat materials. The other is to protect somebody against it.
So I was security solutions architect for the Super Bowl live event in the city of Houston. They could definitely have used both of these, especially the blast-resistant trash cans. But tell me about this portable X-ray screening device. So
right.
What's the technology that you use?
Yeah, so actually the application you mentioned is one of the prime applications for portable video, X-ray video, and that is left packages and bags at stadia and so on. And so what we're doing here is we have an X-ray generator on this side and a digital imaging panel on this side. We're also creating a Wi-Fi signal here that's collected by through which the Samsung device, in this case it's a Samsung, but any Android operating system can run the application. And essentially it sets up the Wi-Fi. When we pull the trigger here, we're generating X-rays, and we see the image on the tablet.
That is wonderful. So the technology behind it, the X-ray technology behind it, are you able to see things on the edge? So for example, quite often, I know that seems like the latest tactic, according to Customs and Border, is to place stuff on the edges so that you can't see it easily. So
yeah,
you can just spin it around.
Exactly. So that's the value of video, is that we're seeing video in a full 30 frames per second. And if it's a left bag or something, we can just pick up the whole thing and just move it around to see all of the edges in a bag.
Oh, cool. So that's how you use it.
Yeah.
So you just tell somebody, put it on the table, and then you do the work.
They don't even have to put it on the table. You can just go to the object. Well, in the case of a left bag or something, there might not be someone there, and that's why you're looking at it and trying to figure out what's in there.
Are you willing to demonstrate on this young man here?
We're not allowed to turn on the X-rays in the facility here.
Okay.
But that's a good point, though, because it's a good thing to bring up, because this is a low-dose X-ray system. So with a normal X-ray system, even a portable one, you'd have to evacuate an area behind the X-ray system or in front of the X-ray system to prevent people being dosed with X-rays. This one is a low-dose system, so that even 2 or 3 meters downrange from the X-ray generator, it's essentially a background radiation.
So, tell me about some of the substances that perhaps some of your customers have detected using this. Do they find contraband, money, weapons,
knives,
obviously.
Guns. Yeah, it can also be used by Customs and Border Protection for looking for contraband. So you can quickly see whether someone might be smuggling something or something looks unusual.
Yeah, this is perfect. You could put it like right near the tires.
You could. Yeah, as long as you can get whatever the object is between the generator and the panel, you can see it.
And it's adjustable?
It is. The arm adjusts from roughly where it is now to about 65 centimeters.
That's wonderful. Tell us about the blast-resistant trash can.
Yeah, so the blast-resistant trash cans come in various sizes and finishes and so on.
And I'll just move over here so that we can get an actual shot of this. So there we go.
Yeah, so this is a 20-liter volume, 80-liter volume can, 20 gallon approximately. It's got a stainless steel perforated sheath, so it looks like a normal trash can. But it's got a saber mat engineered material lining it, which absorbs blast and fragmentation from potential IED.
So what did you call that? Saber mat?
Yeah, the material that's used to do the actual blast suppression is called standalone.
And typically that's going to be good for like fireworks, or is there a particular rating that we should be aware of?
There is a rating system. We don't like to publish it, but this
probably a wise idea.
This particular one is designed to contain roughly a pipe bomb.
Wow.
So the way these work is they direct the blast pressure upward, but they're designed to contain all the fragmentation so that someone standing near it wouldn't be injured by the fragments, and their hearing would still be protected. So of course they would be stunned and shocked at an explosion that just happened, but they'd be alive and without injury.
That is amazing. And cost-wise?
They range from roughly $2,500 up to $5,500, depending on the size, the finish, and the blast pressure.
Well worth it. Far less than the decorative refuse containers in San Francisco.
Absolutely.
But doing an actual function.
Exactly.
How do I buy it?
It's through us, fieldforensics.com.
And the website is Field Forensics.
Yes,
all one word.
either
.com.
fieldforensics.com or ffitactical.com.
And ask for Craig Johnson, the CEO. And you are a Teledyne ICM company.
Well, we're a distributor for Teledyne.
You're a distributor of Teledyne ICM.
Yeah.
So if no
in
one
the
has
U.S. and
ever
Canada.
heard of you, you've got great genes. Okay.
Thanks very much.
Thank you so much.